Hello, everybody. My name is Joshua Smith. I am the Senior Director of Carrier Relations here at ConnectureDRX. I'm happy to be able to introduce you all to a fantastic new partner that we've just onboarded, Renaissance. This is a great new carrier that offers dental plans with some really strong value propositions. Today, we're going to be led through a quick introduction to this carrier and their offerings by our good friend, Andy Murray. Andy, thanks so much for joining. How are you doing today?
Hey, thanks, Josh, for having me. It's a beautiful day for a Tuesday. Most of the viewers who are in New Orleans might remember me as Britney Spears.
I'm sure that there's some really great stories that go along with that. um,
But no, thanks for having me today. I'm excited about our relationship and getting to meet everybody of the Connecture family.
Absolutely. Well, hey, it's great to have you as well. We'll give you the floor to tell us a little bit about the company and your products. Feel free to take it away.
Right, so Renaissance has over 60 years of experience. We're an A-rated carrier. Our focus primarily has always been in the individual group association space. In fact, we were born from Delta of Michigan, who owns us, to create individual health dental products for UAW retirees. And so Renaissance was born to help create individual family products for agent distribution, big brands, employer groups, etc. And so we have this long-standing track record of successful white labeling our products for partnerships like Connecture. We're excited to launch Active Lifestyles brand with Connecture. Active Lifestyles is made up of dental and vision products. That also includes some hearing benefits as well. No waiting periods on some diagnostic and preventative services. We'll go more in detail about the plan designs, as well as the large national and regional networks that we stack to provide over 400,000 access points across the country. To kick it off, we're going to dive right into our dental network. Our big national network is Dentamax on top. That's stacked with a lot of regional and statewide networks. We use these networks in a stackable arrangement. However, when a claim is sent to us, we look for the network that's going to give the best discount to the consumer. And so that's where we also go above and beyond, not only stacking our network, but looking for the best value for our customer. This is just I love this slide. It kind of shows the value of the insurance product to the consumer and what to expect as far as what the dentist charges, the fees, the percentages of what each procedure may cover, what the consumer will pay, and the total savings for simply just having the in-network coverage. Obviously, you can go in and out of network. We have a passive PPO, but if you choose one of these network dentists, you get additional savings. And so this is a great slide to kind of illustrate those cost savings to the consumer. We're going to dive right into the dental plans. We are offering 4 different dental designs with the Active Lifestyle brand. The kind of bright essentials plan is diagnostic, preventative, and basic only. There's no major. And there's a 6-month waiting period for basic. Their glow plan is basically just our EPO plan, which is our network only. There's no out-of-network coverages. 180/50 plan, there is a 6-month waiting period on basic. Shine, you can go in and out of network with Shine. It's a traditional 180/50 plan. There is a waiting period. And then our 4th most popular plan right now is a Radiant. It's a graduating plan that has no waiting periods. And as you can see, kind of graduates year 1, year 2, and year 3 on benefit to help reduce costs and also helps get control on claims loss ratios as well. A little bit more detail on the plans. On the major, we kind of indicated that the Bright plan does not cover major services. It does have a $1,000 annual maximum. The Glow has a 12-month waiting period for major services, and 12 months as well for the Shine. If you notice, the Radiant plan does not have a waiting period. Instead, it has the graduating kind of Radiant, plan. As you go year 1, year 2, and 3, the benefit increases year over year. And then also, if you notice, the annual maximum increases as well. And so overall, offering a wide kind of variety of value propositions to your consumer based on their unique needs. Vision network. So a lot of people are either familiar with IMED or VSP. Our Vision Active Lifestyles network is the VSP national network, which is more of the big box brands, the logos you might see on the bottom, the Costco, Shopco, the Vision Works, etc. So one of the largest vision networks in the country. Basically offering 2 high-low vision plans. The real difference in these plans is the frequency for frames allowance. The high plan does 12, 12, 12, where the low plan does a 12, 24, and 12. $120 allowance for frames, and copays in 10 and 25. So pretty standard, basic vision plans. The key also with this is that if you bundle a dental and a vision plan together in a sale, you get a 10% discount on the vision rate. So by bundling these products, you're saving 10% on the vision rate for the consumer. Transparency always builds trust. We know one of the biggest things is, for managing an agency and a block of business is just kind of having an idea of what is going through your enrollment links. And so obviously through your partnership with Connecture, there's a lot of reporting. We also do have some back office transparency when it comes to commissions or consumer data if they're calling for billing information. Those types of notes are always time, date, and stamped. And so basically giving you full access 24/7 real-time reporting on all of your business that runs through the Connecture platform. That's particularly for the Renaissance Active Lifestyles program. So where are there opportunities for active lifestyles? Where are there opportunities for individual dental and vision? There are a lot of variables, and that's what's interesting about the individual is that there's so many different angles. There's a lot of powers at play. Economics, for example, right? Everybody's with the gig economy going 1099, self-employed. The political environment. ACA became launched in 2010, which really kind of transitioned the shopping experience for consumers to go buy online, which is ACA or Medicare. So what a great way to cross-sell individual dental and vision products for ACA or Medicare supplement plans. The employer mandate increased the non-traditional part-timers, seasonal, temporary, retirees I mentioned, right, with Medicare. But these are all great opportunities to cross-sell certain employee categories that might not have access to those traditional full-time benefits. Association affinity of big brands, setting up member benefit programs where if you're a member of this association, you now have access to these benefits. Great way to throw active lifestyles in an opportunity. And then this big thing right now with ICHRA, being able to leverage dollars on a tax-free basis to purchase individual dental and vision. Of course, the caveat to that is individual ACA, but there's an opportunity with ICHRA to sell individual active lifestyle dental and vision. Finally, agent reward program for Connecture starting October 1st through December 31st. We're going to incentivize each one of you for selling active lifestyle policies. You get $15 per accepted dental application, okay? And if you hit certain thresholds or bonuses, we'll give you an additional $250 for 25 applications, for example, $250, for hitting that threshold. So on top of your $15 times, let's say if you sold 50 apps, you get that as $750 just for selling the apps, plus hitting the $50 50 app bonus, you get an extra $500 for a total of $1,250. So we're running this campaign from October to December. The real curveball with that is that the policy must be enforced for at least 3 months to qualify. All right, so get your permissions turned on today with Connecture. Click to start your electronic onboarding process today and get appointed with Renaissance. Thanks everybody for attending. We're really super excited about being a part of the Connecture family. Contact me for any kind of questions about the products to get onboarded. And Josh, thanks again for your time.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, Andy, for telling us about Renaissance and your product. I really love that agent reward program. That's going to be huge this year for AEP. Again, we're so excited to work with you. And to all of our partners watching, please feel free to reach out to your account manager or to Andy directly with any questions that you might have on contracting with their products. Thanks you all so much again for your time. Have a great day.